Enggak baju.
Good. Yeah. Still hot.
Yeah.
Still hot?
Ready the grill.
Yeah.
Just from grill.
Just straight off grill.
Yes.
Good. I give a little bit to Gemma.
Okay.
Yeah, kami.
Oke guys, kali ini kita berada di daerah Sibang. Nah, kali ini kita mau ke rumahnya Haji Pakis. Oke, sudah nyampe nih. Ayo kita masuk ke dalam dulu. Ayo kita lihat ada orangnya. Oke. Ini.
Sudah sampai mati.
The bird makes a noise like a telephone.
Sudah.
Baik, kita
Babi guling.
Okay, say hello, chef. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you. Okay. Hello.
How are you?
See to meet you.
Good.
Hello, chef. Ini
Chef Canggu.
Siap, saya apa? Sebut di sanggu. Di mana?
how are you? Ayo, Mang.
No good, no good,
Not good.
no good. Pulang.
The weather is not good, ya. Hello, Ina. Ini dia.
Hello. Hey.
Mr.
Happy Galungan Day.
Okay.
Galungan Day.
Oke, kita talking dulu. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Josh,
I'm Josh from
Australia, Melbourne.
Australia, Melbourne. Okay. Hello, say hello. Okay. Ini dia tukang jagal from Blue Zoo Resort. Tukang jagal, jagalah kebersihan.
Lebih mudah ada mal. Ya. Wis.
Yo, kamu? Mana saya aja lihat orang dagang.
Enggak baju. ikan.
It's good. Yeah. Still hot.
Ya.
Still hot?
Mm.
Ready to grill.
Yeah.
Just from grill.
Just straight off grill.
Yes.
That's good. I give a little bit to Gemma.
Okay.
Ya.
Oh, really? Better than the bit smaller. Yeah, more tender.
Ya. Bawa aja. Jangan aja.
Udah dingin kan ada.
Ya. Kau Ji, jin sambal aja.
Sambal
Ji.
deh.
Sambal aja.
Ya mas, mana ya? Spicy ya.
On the side. Panas ya.
Mungkin mau rasa no. Ya, begitulah.
Ya.
Kan ada orang tuh.
One pig like this, how many people?
Lebih lah. Macam pemotongan juga. Lebih.
How was the second pig, sir?
Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yeah, fresh.
How was the crispy or fresh?
Oh, very, very good.
Very, very crispy?
Yes. Best I've had.
Tapi, nggak tapi.
Jangan ngalih pakai pemain.
Nah, sajam loh. Hah?
Belum lah.
Apa flor? Flor. Itu panas itu kita
Untuk kalau masalah, kalau mau
ya. Kerja terbaru from the cassava. Cassava leaf. Cassava leaf. You know cassava?
No.
Huh? The similar like sweet potato.
Oh,
But
okay.
the long,
root?
yeah, the
Very
yeah. Ada tengah enggak kan deh?
That right.
Yes.
So puppy.
Till Barbie. Until tomorrow.
I go swim with dolphins tomorrow. I walk like crab.
Did you have been in dolphin?
No.
Huh? Did you camp out?
No. I'm gonna still go. I don't fly until tomorrow night.
Ya, ya.
Not all 50. Maybe.
Ya. But different like the skin in that one.
Yeah. It's always good, don't
So
it?
the young pig. Yeah. Young babi guling.
Yeah, that's why she's staying over there. She can't see, otherwise she might eat.
But more the
Better.
yeah the big better. So very crispy all the skin. Yeah. Not too long to cook.
Yeah.
But different the money.
Yeah. the meat better with the young or the old? Old as well. Never cut? No, 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 no. So you not done cut the meat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I do if I'm sober.
Different. Yeah. Lẹ jàng đấy bố. Nhiều jàng đấy.
Jam ke Jan? Better? No?
Iya.
Go.
Ada uluk-uluk ada jadi mau 60.
Tapi sakit mangganya punya mereka. Tak, itu duduk man Taylor. Weh.
With the head. Cook again. Yeah. Just make it extra crispy.
More Balinese, like the chili, like spicy, huh? Little.
Little.
Make the soup maybe.
And the shrimp fish.
Oh, making the soup.
Yeah.
But that one, but not make it the soup. Make it like the wrap with banana leaf and then to grill.
Oh, okay.
Doan. Asa palo itu nak ni.
Bongkar.
Makan.
Ya.
Kalau mau ni.
Efek.
Oh.
Hidang. Bikin hidung dan hidang kan kalau kering samanya. Ampun buat pun harganya 1.000, 1.200 pasti pun samanya.